Just a call away, the Creator created human in such a way that there is no distance between the two. Both are very near to each other. I once went on a condolence visit to two young people, a sister and a brother whose father had died, leaving them alone in their flat in New Delhi. Naturally, both of these young people were very sad. One of the visitors, who was a family friend, spoke some words of solace. He said, "Don't worry, I'm just a call away." Suddenly a thought came to my mind. God Almighty is also a call away from every human. The Creator created humans in such a way that there is no distance between the two. It is possible for humans to contact God at any moment from wherever they may be. This concept can give every human unshakable confidence. It can give every person knowledge that there's a source of help in every situation. If you have a cell phone in your pocket when you leave home, you will confidently believe you're not far from your family. You can make instant connection with your family anywhere in the world. The same holds true for relationship between human and God. I am a great believer in God. I can recall many instances when I've found myself in a state of helplessness, and I've prayed and asked God for their help. And invariably, I realized that God Almighty was with me. He solved my problem and turned around the situation in my favor. This belief gives me conviction and determination. In my experience, everyone is in need of such a source of conviction. In our daily lives, we frequently face situations where we feel that with our limited resources, we cannot cope with the difficult situation. We need to believe in a supernatural source of help. This belief energizes our new mind. It gives us courage and hope to continue with the task in hand. This belief plays a great role in our lives, that it adds hope to our struggle. It makes us able to tap our hidden energy. Life is full of problems. Frequently we face areas of existence which we are totally unfamiliar with. Dealing with them takes thought and planning, and at that time we need some pointers to a future line of action. In such a situation, belief in God serves like a lighthouse. We are like the captain of an ocean-going vessel who finds himself in a state of loneliness and isolation. As soon as the captain spots the lighthouse on the coastline, it gives the captain new hope. And then he follows the path that it illuminates. The result is the captain is successful in reaching the destination. Indeed, life is like sailing across a great ocean. We need to believe that there is someone on the coast who can give us help when we are utterly helpless. This is the role of God in the life of every human. One's success is 50% struggle and 50% hope. It is a source of great hope for everyone that God is with us. There is no distance between human and God. He is just a call away from us. I'm 91 years old, and I can say my life has been full of challenges, full of problems. The only thing that has saved me from succumbing in any situation is my belief in God.